Fellow Biafrans, sons and daughters of the land of the rising sun, the governors have no balls to defend you. Look at the so-called vigilantes they created. Those same local boys turned into tools of oppression. They harass market women, extort innocent traders, and terrorize their own communities. But when real danger comes, when Fulani herdsmen, terrorists, and jihadist invaders storm into our bushes, burn our farms, rape our mothers and sisters, and slaughter our children in the dead of night, those vigilantes vanish into thin air. They cannot and they will not confront the enemy. But there is one force that does confront them. One force that has proven time and time again that it can protect Biafra land. That force is the Eastern Security Network, ESN. Communities that have witnessed firsthand how ESN operates are not shy about giving testimonies. They speak with one voice. These are professionals. ESN operatives move with discipline, precision, and courage. They strike at the terrorists where the state security forces fear to tread. They patrol our forests, secure our farmlands, and restore peace to villages the Nigerian government has abandoned. Why? Because ESN operatives are not strangers. They are your sons and daughters. Dedicated men and women born and raised on this same soil. They breathe the same air, drink from the same streams, and carry the same ancestral blood. They cannot sabotage their own land because this land is them. While the governors play politics and the Nigerian army looks the other way, ESN stands as the only genuine shield between our people and Fulani herdsmen terrorists, jihadist invaders, and all enemies of Biafra.
But thank God.
Who rescued you?
Can they rescue you, Reverend Father?
On the ESN.
Yes, can you not go on the ESN?
I make a loon. Maka. No, who know the Fulani idea. Where is your bodai for Bodonka? Then, a name is I will have Igbo. So I make a loon in short. Unu chukwa na fanya. No, yeah.
So, Father, can they bunda kinapurunu? On the Igbo or the Fulani?
On the Fulani.
Okay, you have no more have a kidnap on the mother.
No, never he.
Okay, now for
each person 50 million.
each person 50 million. Could now for.
Father could go 1 million.
Okay, now for Father could go 1 million. Leon Pastor, can you need the one day ESN IPOB?
And make a Chineke and a bono. Makana Bemchetara na Chineke on Ibo Mado.
Yes.
Obikaram. Onwere mboru were ego dim na akpa chụọ aja n'ala si Chineke na ala Igbo kam nọ onweghị ihe ga-eme m.
Confirm.
Ebe ọ bụ na ha anataghị m ya 5,000 naira fọrọ m n'akpa. M were tọgbọ na si Chineke na ebe ọ bụ gị bụ Chineke nke nwe ala Igbo. N'ọkwa ala ka a mụrụ m na ndị mba ọzọ agaghị abịa nọ n'ime egbuo m.
Onye ke aha gị kwanụ my brother?
Abụ m Reverend Demian Chukwubuikem Ogbu.
Onye ebe?
Onye Enugu State.
Ndewo. Ndewo. My brother, go akwanụ ka aha gị?
Ministering Attorney Chigbeze.
All right.
Local government.
Afambo Ejofo Edward Ojabomonya Mbanese. So
and they met Ajidofo.
Ojofa that on age or even what an age.
Confirm.
They can either own.
Bundo Lequano. Yes, a Keledri Chineke Nina or Chineke Bu Jai Quarangolo. Yes. Yes, a Keledri DOS. Nande Calionia Ibre ESN. Sika Aropose. Kafulane cho pono budai aina sekandezu release ko join na inudo oge na adira na fachuko kabiama. Yes.
Only ESN can defend Biafra land. This is not propaganda. This is lived reality. Every successful repulsion of Fulani militants in the East, every village that now sleeps in relative peace, every farmer who can return to his land without fear. These are the silent victories of the Eastern Security Network. IPOB and ESN are not here to oppress our people. They are here to liberate them. They are the armed expression of a people who have refused to die. They are the physical manifestation of that unbreakable Biafran spirit that refused to be buried in 1970 and refuses to be buried today. To every Biafran at home and in the diaspora, stop looking to Abuja for protection. Stop trusting the same system that watched while our people were massacred. The solution is already among us. Support ESN, defend ESN, celebrate ESN, because when the next wave of Fulani terrorists comes, and they will come, it will not be the governors who stand in the gap. It will not be the compromised vigilantes. It will be the dedicated, committed, and fearless operatives of the Eastern Security Network. Only ESN can defend Biafraland against Fulani herdsmen terrorists and jihadist terrorists. The rising sun is not just a symbol, it is a promise. And that promise is being defended right now by the men and women of ESN. Only ESN can defend Biafraland. The governors have no balls.